Hello everyone, this is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is projection of solids in engineering graphics. So these are the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of a cylinder in different positions by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problems related to the projections of cylinder. And these are the so first what is the meaning of projections of solids? So the projections of solids is the method of drawing the orthographic view, front view, top view, side view of the three-dimensional objects like cube, prism, pyramid, cone, and sphere. And these are the three-dimensional objects when they are placed in different positions with respect to the reference planes like horizontal plane HP and vertical plane VP and profile planes PP. So this is the simple problem related to the cylinder. A cylinder is having a diameter 30 mm and axis height 40 mm, is resting with point of its base circle on the HP, that is diameter 30 and axis height 40, resting with point of its base circle on HP, such that axis making an angle of 30 degrees to the HP and parallel to VP, and draw the projection of the solid. Yes, first of all, so I will draw the cylinder 3D structure. So this is the cylinder. Yes, so this is the cylinder. Yes, so top one circle is there and bottom one circle is there. It will be resting on the horizontal plane. This is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane and vertical plane. The cylinder is resting here initially. So this is the axis of the cylinder. In this first stage, the axis is of the cylinder is perpendicular to the HP and parallel to VP. Okay, so if you observe the front position, it is the front view. The cylinder is appear like a rectangle, yes, to the observer. When you observe the top view, the true shape of the cylinder is visible. That is, the cylinder means it is the circular shape. The true shape is visible in the top view. This is the first stage. The axis perpendicular to one plane, parallel to another plane. In second stage, the cylinder is given the axis of the cylinder, which is given inclination, okay, 30 degrees. That means the cylinder will give the inclination like this. So this is the axis of the cylinder, and the axis of the cylinder is 30 degrees to HP and parallel to VP. Yes. So when we are given 30 degrees angle to the HP, the axis makes an angle 30 degrees to the HP and parallel to the axis is parallel to VP. That means in second stage, the axis inclined to one plane, parallel to another plane. After given inclination, how it is visible to the observer in front view and top view, we will draw these two stages by using AutoCAD software. Yes. So this is the AutoCAD interface. First we will do some screen settings. UNITS, units, enter. Change the precision 0.0 and so keep it is a millimeters. This units is there in millimeters or not, just identify whether it is there not there in millimeters, change it into millimeters and click OK. And next one, limits, 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 enter. 0, 0, enter. 420, 297, enter. Z, enter. A, enter. Take the line command and draw the reference line. Okay, and Third screen setting, D enter, go to the modify and symbols and arrow size is 4 and text height is 4 and primary units are precision 0.0 and click OK and close. Yes, take the MT command, that is multi-text command, MT enter, click here to here and give the one reference letter X and change the size of the letters 4 or 5. Copy this letter by using copy command, CO enter, select the letter and make sure switch off the ortho mode for placing the different position of the letter. So this is Y. Yes, and this is the reference letter. So here in this problem where we are observing the true shape in the first stage, so we are observing the true shape in the top view. The top view is coming below the reference line. What is the diameter of the circle? 30 mm. Okay, go to the circle command. Here draw toolbar circle command is there. Go to the circle command, select the center diameter option and click on the screen, drag the mouse and give the 30 mm diameter. Yes, this is the 30 mm diameter of the circle. After that, divide this circle into 4 equal parts. Yes, after that, give the marking point for this cylinder, take the copy command, CO enter, select this letter and copy these letters here, A, B, C and D. And here one thing remember, here two planes are there, top plane and bottom plane, that means top circle and bottom circle. Here in the top view, we will indicate A, B, C, D and bottom one circle is there in the cylinder, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you see the top view, the top circle is visible, that means A, B, C, D points are visible and bottom circle we cannot able to see in the top view. It will be indicating 1, 2, 3, 4, put it in the bracket. Okay, so this is A in bracket 1, next B in bracket 2, next one C in bracket 3, next one D in bracket 4. Yes, and take the move command and adjust this letter outside of the circle. Yes, after completion of this project the 4 points of the circle from top view to front view. Yes, and after completion of that, so what is the height of the cylinder they are given? 40 mm. Take the PL command, that is polyline command, PL enter, draw the axis 40 and 30, it is appear like a rectangle, again 40 and 30. Yes, and this is also projection line. Yes, and after completion of that, give the notations for the front view, copy the letter, take the copy command, CO enter, select this letter and this is A, BD and C and this is 1, 2, 4 and 3. So here in that top circle is indicating with the letter A dash and B and D are coming in common baseline. So B is visible and D is far away from the observer. So B dash, and D dash is not visible, put it in the bracket, and this is C dash. And next one, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, and 4 dash is not visible, put it in the bracket, and this is 3 dash. So this is the front view and top view of the cylinder. Axis is perpendicular to one plane, parallel to another plane. So this is top view and this is the front view. After that, the cylinder is given inclination 30 degrees. What we are doing here, take the copy command, CO enter, select this object along with points, and make sure switch on the ortho mode. Okay, and give the inclination. When we give the inclination of the cylinder, it will be resting on any one point on the base circle. So here the 3 is the one point on the base circle. When we give the inclination, it will be resting on the point 3 on the base circle. So rotate this object, take the rotate command. It is available in modify toolbar. Select entire object and rotate the angle 30 degrees. So if you are observe, so the total angle is 90 degrees. The total angle is 90 degrees. Yes. So the axis of the cylinder they are given from the reference line is 30 degrees, but we are rotating the cylinder from the vertical axis. So 90 minus 30, 60 degrees. So we need to rotate this cylinder in 60 degrees. So go to the rotate command, select this cylinder along with points. Yes, it is rotating clockwise direction minus 60. Okay, so when we rotate that, see this is the 30 degrees. Take the extend command, extend this line up to the reference line. After that, take the line command and project the points below. These are the projection lines. Project the lines or projectors from second stage front view to top view. Next one, project the projector lines from first stage top view to second stage top view. These intersection points are nothing but second stage top view. Okay, so here when we rotate this cylinder, when we see the top view, the cylindrical shape of the cylinder is appear like a ellipse. So go to the ellipse option is directly available in the draw toolbar. If you observe the top view, the top circle is like a ellipse. Take that center option of the ellipse command. Yes. Next one, this is the bottom circle. The half portion is visible to the observer, remaining half portion is not visible to the observer. Take the ellipse command. Yes, and elliptical arc. Select bottom, top, draw the elliptical arc and mirror this half portion of the elliptical arc to the another side. Go to the mirror option is available here. Modify toolbar. Select mirror option. Select this curve, elliptical arc, and press enter. And select top portion of the elliptical arc and bottom portion of the elliptical arc and press enter. Yes, after completion of that, give the marking points, take the copy command, take any letter for copying purpose. So switch off the ortho mode. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this is A, B, C, D. So edit this letter, double click on the letter, the editing option is open. 1, 2, 3, and next 4. And next one, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, and next one, take the line command, draw the lines. And here this is the diagram, and give the dimension for this. Take the linear and measure the and mark the height of the cylinder 40 and go to the annotation and select diameter, the diameter of the cylinder 30. And here entire this object we need to show the difference between the projection lines and product. So how we can show the difference? By using poly edit, PE, enter, select the object and go to the width option and give the width 0.5 and again press enter button 2 times. So we need to show the difference between product and projection lines. 0.5. Press enter button 2 times. The command is continued. 0.5, 0.5, and this is the difference of the variation. We need to show the projection line and product. So we need to give some thickness of the object. And here the circle we will not give, we cannot able to give the thickness by using poly edit command. So we go to the properties. Yes, so here the line weight option is available. Okay, so select the line weight option and give the thickness of the product. And after that, here this is the inclination of the object. When we give the inclination, the bottommost portion of the circle is not visible. So we convert it into this hidden line. So go to the properties, others, load, select the ISO dash and click OK and click OK. Select this curve and change it into ISO dash line. See this here, 3 points are visible, hidden points. If you want to change the scale, LTS, yes, LTS, enter. So it will ask enter the line scale, line type scale factor. So defaultly it will be there in 1. So change it into 0.5. So it is number of points are visible here like that. So this is the cylindrical solid. In one position, the axis perpendicular to one plane, parallel to another plane. In second stage, the axis of the cylinder inclined to one reference plane, parallel to another plane. Yes, this is the object. By using AutoCAD, we will prepare like this. Here today's we are seeing that in this section summary of the today's class is draw the projection of the cylinder in different positions by using AutoCAD and a simple problem related to the cylinder. This is the today's section. Thank you everyone.